Macam amoy ya.
I can't wait lah.
Amoy ya. Morning.
Morning.
This one okay ya.
What's your name?
Oi.
Oh god.
Oi, malu ni. Alright. Gonna calibrate my power meter. Gonna blink 5 times. Yeah, we're good to go.
Are you ready?
What?
Are you ready now?
No, I'm not ready. Scared. Today we're doing Hantu twice.
Hantu twice, okay.
Perez maybe twice also.
Okay. Alright, some more?
And then back here.
Yeah, back here, alright.
This is Sifu BB.
Why twice? Why twice when you can do once?
Yeah, you got a point there.
Such a beautiful morning. Stand. Oh, I feel like I'm in Genting, man. It's like 24 degrees.
You didn't wash your bike, you say?
Oh,
So dirty.
it's because of you, man. Hantu is calling us. How's Marvin? Where is he?
Not really steep today.
I shot by 1 minute.
What's your timing?
11 minutes.
Ui.
From the part where I took off. I was surprised. I was supposed to count as 12 minutes. I don't know why. Maybe the wheel set.
I think the bike better.
Same bike as last week.
Aye.
So
So?
the leg better lah.
Yeah.
Hey, it's Marvin! Sprint! Get PR!
Thanks for waiting.
You're not out of breath, man. You didn't go full gas.
I am.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I did.
Lying.
Yeah.
Just because the camera's rolling right now, you're just huffing and puffing.
Yeah.
You were laughing just now. So we decided not to go back down. We just go to Perez.
I think we go Perez. I meet you guys at Perez.
Yeah.
Then
Just stop.
so this is the normal GoPro. This is, we call it BB GoPro. BB GoPro. So like some more.
Is it the whiskey still talking from yesterday, is it?
Yeah. Whiskey is doing the talking now.
Alright.
Yeah.
Morning!
There's no service here.
No.
Yeah, probably.
Nature only.
My Instagram not loading.
Just upload it later lah.
This one macam amoy ya. I can't wait lah.
Amoy. Morning!
Morning.
This one okay ya.
What's your name?
Oi.
Oh god.
Oi, malu ni. Come on. Why so this time trailing? How you doing, Mav?
Yeah. Too slow, guys.
What?
Okay, this have to be uploaded.
The orang asli move back into the forest. See, they left their houses. They are sick and tired. Or too many cyclists. Doggy, move, wake up. we're climbing Perez. It's really peaceful now. As you can imagine, the road is closed because we're not allowed to cross the border. So there's almost no traffic here. It's been less than 6 months,
Not easy, not easy. Hey,
Cheers.
cheers.
Ding.
Why soon cheers? Oh. Never mind, I got sugar syrup.
Sugar syrup.
Oh, you want? No, not today. Because I had one in the morning. Okay.